Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you as to where you can find your downloaded files in your computer or in your Windows. You may wonder where your downloaded files are stored in your Windows, then let's go quick into it. Right click at the start button and select File Explorer, or you can directly search for Explorer in the Windows search bar. Click on it. The same window will appear, and here you will find this list of destination paths right here on the left pane, and you can simply find downloads. So once you click downloads, and all your downloaded files will be visible in here. So as you can see, so these are all my downloaded files. Now let me show you. So I have this image and we're going to download this. So we need to click on this more actions and click on download image. Now this is downloaded, so let's see. Right click at the start button, open File Explorer, click on Downloads, and that's it. So this is where you can find all your downloads, or this is where your downloaded files are stored on your Windows. And this is for very easy for Windows 11. So that's it, as easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.